Hello, my name is Megan Troick. Thank you for watching this video. Not many people intentionally click on a tax video. So thank you very much. If you like this video or if you like our content in general, go ahead, subscribe so that you can get notification when we have a new one. In this video, I want to talk about the tax implications when it comes to probate. And specifically, I want to talk about maximizing benefits and I want to talk about minimizing liabilities. That's what we all want, right? We want all the benefits with none of the consequences. But today I want to talk about tax implications when it comes to probate. As you know, there's something called a taxable estate. If you have an estate of more than, say, 13 million, you're going to have a taxable estate if you're a single individual. If you're married right now, it's more like almost 26 million. You and your spouse can get tax exempt. So we're talking about you can save a whole lot of money on taxes by selecting the right codes when it comes to your estate, and you can maximize your exemption. So even if you are a multimillionaire, you can pass on your assets to your loved ones tax-free. However, you may know that this exemption that I'm talking about actually sunsets in 2024, and unless our lovely Congress steps in and bestows us with an extension, just like a pumpkin, we're going to turn back into the pumpkin, our carriage is going to disappear, and we're going to be held holding a jack-o'-lantern. We're going to go back to the regular 5 million, 6 million. That's still a lot of money, but it's no 13 million, 26 million. That is not even close. But I'm confident that rich people will take care of themselves and you're going to still have the exemption. And I'm confident that we'll probably be still talking about an $11 million estate before you're taxable. So for regular people, people like me and you, we will probably pass away with a non-taxable estate. That is an estate that's less than 13 million, and therefore we can divide our assets. We can still think about creating a trust. We can still think about funding the trust. And many of us never have to worry about having too much money wherein you have to worry about a federal estate tax. The state of Texas doesn't have the estate tax. We don't have income tax, so we don't have to worry about that. But if we do approach that 13 million, then we have to really be thinking about tax implications. We have to be really thinking about irrevocable trust. We have to be really thinking about giving stuff away, setting up charitable remainder trust, titling things in our spouse's name, especially if your spouse is much younger than you and better health than you. Then you may think about gifting things to your spouse, because unlike other people, you have unlimited amounts that you can give to your spouse. So you can give your spouse $1 billion and that is totally fine. So what do you look for if you do have a taxable estate? If you have that $15 million, if you do have that $60 million, what does your estate plan look like? For you, you need to be thinking about irrevocable trusts, charitable remainder trust. Maybe you have a nice estate, you want to leave it to your church. You can leave it to your church now using a charitable remainder trust. Get the entire tax write-off now, and then when you pass away, that house, that land, whatever gets gifted to your church. It may be a big tract of land that you hunt on. There are many things that you can do with that tract of land. That tract of land, 100, 200 acres, worth several $100,000, if not millions of dollars. That's one way you can remove things out of your estate, enjoy it while you're alive. In fact, you can enjoy it for your life and even your children's lives, and then that gets gifted to your charity. So there are creative ways that you can lessen your taxable estate, enjoy the assets that you have, enjoy the things that you're blessed with, and still be charitable, still manage your taxable estate, save taxes now. There's absolutely nothing wrong with saving taxes. Remember what Jesus said, give unto Caesar what's Caesar. And I believe in giving Caesar only what's due to Caesar and not a dollar more. My name is Megan Troick, lead estate planning attorney here with the Law Office of Bryan Fagan, where we help you save money, but where we most importantly treat you like family, and even better. Thank you. Hello, thank you for watching our video. And because you made it to the end of that video, we're offering you our new estate planning handbook. This is a wonderful tool and I'm sure you like it. Go ahead, download the link, and let's get learning together.